Hello and welcome to Popeye Hill. We have butterfly bushes in the yard and they attract numerous pollinators. I took these pictures over the years on this very bush that we're going to trim today. Here's the bush that I'm going to work on. It's been around in our yard a long time. When I'm done pruning, I want the shape to pretty much match this fancy arc here. I'm also going to work on removing old dead stems at the base, such as shown by this arrow. My tool of choice for this pruning job is a battery-powered Ego hedge trimmer. I also have a standard electric hedge trimmer, the type that you have to run an extension cord to. But since I went cordless a few years back, it's been gathering dust in the garage. As you see in the video, my technique for pruning is I work around the outside to begin with, circling around the plant. I work my way toward the center of the plant there at the top, then it's about time to remove the trimmings. I like to use my pitchfork to gather up the bulk of the stems. Then I move them over to the side of the yard where I can dispose of them later. Now it's time to turn my attention to what's left at the base of the butterfly bush. I'm going to thin out some, but not all of the thick stems that are at the base. When thinning, pay attention to the dead stems that are in there. Once you locate them, you can break them off by hand or pull them out otherwise. Now it's time to do some cleanup. I use a leaf rake for this job. Once it's raked up into a pile, I gather it up and take it over and put it with the other items that I'm going to toss away. Our municipality here has a program where twice a year they come around and gather up brush. So this spring, in a few weeks or so, that's where this stuff will go and will be hauled away to a recycling center. Pruning and cleanup's all done now, and here's a close-up of the trimmed bush, and you can see what it looks like at the end. But the job's not done until we get some fertilizer down. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.